Canada Privacy Protection Law for Data Collection 1. Asterisk Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act BPADA asterisk regulates the collection, use, and disclosure of personal information by private sector organizations. 2. Asterisk Privacy Act asterisk applies to federal government institutions and regulates the collection, use, and disclosure of personal information. 3. Asterisk Provincial Privacy Laws asterisk some provinces have their own privacy laws, such as British Columbia's Personal Information Protection Act PIPA, Alberta's Personal Information Protection Act PIPA, Quebec's Act respecting the protection of personal information in the private sector. Key requirements. 1. Asterisk consent asterisk obtain informed consent from individuals before collecting, using, or disclosing their personal information. 2. Asterisk data minimization asterisk collect only necessary personal information. 3. Asterisk security safeguards asterisk implement reasonable security measures to protect personal information. 4. Breach notification asterisk notify affected individuals and the Privacy Commissioner in case of a data breach. 5. Asterisk data subject rights asterisk provide individuals with access to their personal information and the ability to correct or delete it.